Hi, my name is Mike, and welcome to Sleekr Digital. In this video, we will demonstrate the integration capabilities of the Event Calendar Pro plugin. The Event Calendar Pro allows you to integrate with other online tools and services for additional features. We can get these options in the Integrations tab here. We can connect Meetup authentication and Eventbrite authentication using these options. We can also integrate Power Automate. For that, we can use that option to create API keys for that. And here is the endpoint dashboard. For integrating Zapier, we need to use this option for creating the API for it. By doing that, we can integrate Zapier. In the Zapier endpoint dashboard, we can monitor endpoints by triggers and actions used by your connections. If you want to connect a Google account to generate Google Meet links for virtual events, you can use this option. You can also use the multiple Google account option to connect multiple Google accounts. To generate Microsoft meeting links, you can use this option to connect a Microsoft account. We can also connect WebEx using this option. To connect your Zoom account, use this option. For adding Facebook Live videos for your events, insert a Facebook ID and secret key. By clicking on the Save Facebook App option, the Facebook account will be connected. If you want to disable the Facebook JS SDK script for single events, you can check this option. You can add your YouTube channel ID for YouTube Live features for your event. You can set the default settings by clicking on the dropdown. If you want to connect Google Map functionality or more advanced features like custom map pins or dynamic map loads, insert the Google Map API key here. By doing this, click on Save Changes. This integration and customization makes the Event Calendar Pro highly versatile for any website. Whether you are running a business or community site, you can easily adapt it to meet your goals. That wraps up demonstration of the integration capabilities of the Event Calendar Pro plugin. Subscribe for more useful videos.